Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by pressing and holding the adjust button for about 3 seconds. The seconds will start flashing. Once that happens, you know the watch is in setting mode. If it does not, press mode until the time display appears, then hold adjust again. Make sure the watch is stable and not against your wrist. This prevents accidental presses and ensures each button action registers accurately. Now, press mode wants to move from seconds to hours and again to minutes. You will see each digit or field flash when active. Use the forward or reverse buttons to advance or retreat the value. Tap for single steps, hold for continuous scroll. When changing hours, check the 12H or 24H marker so you don't set AM as PM by mistake. Once minutes are right, pause before moving on to confirm the time reads as you intend. To finish, press adjust once to save all changes and exit setting mode. The watch will stop flashing and resume normal display. Verify the time against your phone or atomic clock to be certain. If it's off, re-enter settings and correct the specific field. If buttons don't respond or values skip, power issues or dirty contacts are likely. Replace the battery or clean button recesses, then repeat these steps to ensure accurate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.